Hi everyone and welcome to Bennett's Travel Blog. I'm Helen Bennett.
And I'm Steve Bennett.
We are a husband and wife team.
And we love to travel.
So here we are at the THB Lanzarote Beach and I am going to do a room tour of room 3212. So as we walk in, you can see it is a lovely big room. Let's take a peek around. So it's actually my birthday today, so I've opened my birthday cards and the hotel kindly supplied not one, but 2 bottles of champagne. I actually started one last night because it was here on arrival. So we have a little kitchenette. I'll open the cupboards and just show you what you can expect. We're not planning on using any of these. We are eating out at the many restaurants and bars, but we have bought some basic provisions in, but you have got everything you need. Bin cupboard, a microwave oven, and then a lovely big fridge, which we filled up with a few provisions, including milk and a half-drunk bottle of champagne. And underneath my cards there is a little 2-ring hob, which again we're not planning to use, but it's there if we need it, and a coffee machine in the background where you can do fresh filtered coffee. We've actually bought instant and we're actually using the kettle. So as we walk in, this is the bathroom and the usual toilet, sink, and a lovely big walk-in shower. And you do get complimentary shower gel and shampoo, so that's nice. You've got a hairdryer and a socket there. I don't believe that there is a shaving point in here, so you would need an adapter if you bring an electric shaver, but there is actually a plug there for you to plug it in. So very roomy bathroom as well. And then you walk round, there's actually a little alcove where you can store all your suitcases. As you can see, we don't travel light. And then into the bedroom, and behind the curtains there's a great big window which does open, and it's a sea view out there, which is really nice. So very comfortable bed, I have to say. We obviously slept in it last night, that was our first night. You've got sockets either side of the bed, which you'll need adapters for to plug your phones in. There are not any USB points, so just be mindful of that. And lights that you can operate from your bedside, which is really nice. Little bedside cabinets both sides. And just so I don't forget, where you sort out all your aircon control. So that's easy. Lots of storage. I mean, I'm blown away, to be honest, by how much storage there is. Lots of drawer space, hanging space, both ends. And it's nice that it's all open plan, because it really makes the whole room feel so bright and airy. And then we go round into, I guess, what would be the lounge area. You've got a lovely big flat screen telly on the wall, somewhere to do your makeup. The only thing, there is no mirror there, but there's a mirror in the bathroom, and there is a mirror, a full-length mirror, by the hanging rails that I've just shown you. Lovely patio doors that go out onto a little balcony. The balcony is actually a wraparound. I'll show you that in a moment. So we have sea views all the way around the apartment. It is lovely. This is a humongous sofa that opens up into a big sofa bed if you needed it. So easily 4 people could sleep in this room. It is lovely. And again, another set of patio doors that also lead out onto a balcony, which we'll pop out to now. It is a bit breezy today. I think Lanzarote is well known for that. So wow, I mean, what could you ask for? To wake up in the morning and have your coffee. There's hubby relaxing one end of the balcony, so you can see the views are just stunning, absolutely stunning. And the balcony actually goes round the corner, and yes, hang towels and any bits you might want to wash. It actually pulls out and extends slightly, and then you can just see we're amongst quite a few bars and restaurants and shops that are right just underneath the hotel, and it really does come to life at night. I will do another video out here just to show you what it is like of an evening, but yes, it is stunning. And would I come back? Yes. Would I have this room again? Oh yes. I don't think I would be able to cope with a standard double now. See you soon.